Good afternoon, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today, I am going to take the class on class 8 English first paper. The name of the item is information transfer. You will get the item in question number 4 and 5. The question of number 4 is called information transfer. There, what is given in this question? A story on the life of a great person is given, and then given a diagram, this kind of diagram. You know, this kind of diagram is given in this question item. At first, you should read the passage or story carefully again and again to find the information given in the chart. There are 5 gap or parentheses in the chart. At first, I am reading out the passage for you. The passage of this item is about Mahatma Gandhi. Listen to me carefully. Mahatma Gandhi was born in Kotiabad in October 2, 1969 in an Benia family. At 17, he passed his matriculation examination and proceeded to England in 1887 to qualify himself for the bar, leaving behind an infant son. After he was called to the bar in India, 1891, he sailed for home. In 1915, he went to Natal in South Africa and made his work as a political leader, fighting hard against the local Europeans for the just right of the Indians. In 1816, he championed the cause of the Champaran peasants against the white indigo planter. His non-cooperation campaign of 1920, his salt Satyagraha of 1930, and finally his Quit India movement of 1952 were the noble move of the political chessboard of India, which made him the idol of the people. On January 30, 1948, on his way to a prayer meeting, the architect of India's freedom met his death at the hand of a cruel assassin named Nathuram Ghosh. You should read the passage again and again. Now come to the question number 4. there are 3 columns in the chart. For in one line, Nathuram Mahatma Gandhi, October, then one number is gap. Year, person or event, month and year. যখন তোমরা ইয়ারের জায়গায় গ্যাপ থাকবে তখন বুঝতে হবে এখান থেকে অথবা এখান থেকে আমরা এর তথ্যটা বা ইনফরমেশনটা পেতে পারি। এই প্যাসেজটা পড়লেই তোমরা এটা ধরতে পারবে এবং বুঝতে পারবে। যেমন ধরো অ্যান্সার লেখার সময় তোমাকে এইভাবে লিখতে হবে। খেয়াল করো, অক্টোবর, মান্থ ইজ অক্টোবর, পারসন ইজ মহাত্মা গান্ধী। অক্টোবর, হোয়াট ইজ দ্য ইয়ার? অক্টোবর। নতুরাম, আমরা প্যাসেজ পড়লে জানতে পারবো যে মহাত্মা গান্ধী জন্মগ্রহণ করেছিলেন অক্টোবর মাসের কত সন? দিস ইজ দ্য 1869, 1869. Then come number 2. Number 2, এবার খেয়াল করো, called to the bar 1891. What is the name of the month? এখানে মান্থটা হবে জুন। প্যাসেজটা পড়লে তোমরা বুঝতে পারবে এখানে নাম মাসের নামটা হবে জুন। দিস ইজ দ্য অ্যান্সার ওয়ার্ড। Next, come to the number 3. Here the gap is in person and event, and there is no information, and year is the 1920. What happened to Mahatma Gandhi in 1920? There was a non-cooperation campaign. Non-cooperation campaign. Non-cooperation campaign. This is the correct answer of the gap. Now come to number 4. What will be the answer of the number 4? Correct information of number 4. Come to here. Quiet India movement. Quiet India movement. Which is the year related to the Quiet India movement? This is the year 1942. Now come to number 5. Assassination of Gandhi. That means Gandhir assassination means Gupta Hatta. Gandhi was assassinated. What was the month? If you read the passage again, you will find there will be the month January. January is the right information of the number. Now come to the next question. What is the next question? The next question is true false. There are 5 sentences are given in the true false question. You should write if the sentence are true or false. One by one. At first number, I am cleaning the board. Now, number 5. Gandhi joined the bar of England. Read the sentence carefully. Read the sentence carefully. Gandhi joined the bar of England. Gandhi ইংল্যান্ডের বারে যোগদান করেছিলেন। গান্ধী আসলে প্যাসেজ পড়লে তোমরা বুঝতে পারবে গান্ধী আসলে ইংল্যান্ডের বারে যোগদান করে নাই। ইংল্যান্ডে সে গিয়েছিলেন তিনি লতে অধ্যয়ন করার জন্য। সুতরাং দিস উইল বি নাম্বার এ উইল বি ফলস, FALSE, false, and you will write in this way the correct answer. What is the correct answer? Gandhi joined the bar of India. Gandhi joined the bar of India. Now come to B. What is the information given in the sentence? Gandhi was a bachelor while he was studying law in England. Is this true? Gandhi was bachelor while he was studying law in England. তখন সে ইংল্যান্ডে ল পড়তেছিলেন, তখন তিনি ব্যাচেলর ছিলেন, একা একা ছিলেন। Now come to C. What is the information given in C? Gandhi fought for the local Europeans in Natal, South Africa. Gandhi fought for, that means পক্ষে যুদ্ধ করেছিলেন বা পক্ষে সংগ্রাম করেছিলেন ইউরোপিয়ানদের পক্ষে গান্ধী কখনোই সংগ্রাম করেন না এবং তাদের বিরুদ্ধে সংগ্রাম করেছেন। সুতরাং দিস উইল বি দ্য সি, দিস ইজ ফলস, and you should give correct answer in this way. Gandhi fought for the just right of the Indians. Gandhi fought for the right of the Indians. Now come to the D. What is the given information? Number D. Nathuram Ghosh was a profound lover of Gandhi's policy. That means the meaning of the sentence is Nathuram Ghosh গান্ধীর একজন খুব ভালোবাসা ছিলেন, প্রেমী ছিলেন বা তার প্রতি খুব ভক্ত ছিলেন। That is false. You should give the correct answer in this way. Nathuram Ghosh was dead against of the policy of Nathuram Ghosh was dead against the policy of Gandhi. Now come to the number E. Gandhi fruitfully promoted the cause of the Champaran peasants. Gandhi fully promoted the cause of the Champaran peasant. This is true. This is true. If you read the passage again, you will find that this statement is true. Right? In this way. My dear students, I have finished the class for today. If you subscribe our channel, you will get important classes next. Now, thank you everybody. Thank you all. Goodbye.